So when you put in like this in a video output, this is most likely if you're running a dual camera on your caravan. This one's going to go into our F camera input. This you'll need to power, so this will need like an ACC power source in the ground. You can tap it off our unit if you want. It's the red wire on the main harness, and there'll be a ground floating around. Any loose ground you can use, or you can use the main ground. The master video in. You will want to plug the rear view camera into here, and I then put a power switch on the rear view camera. And then the slave video in, you want to plug the reverse camera into here. So what you'll normally do is you'll have this one here coming out, the master video. You'll have the power for that, and you'll have that turned off. So when you go into reverse and tap the F camera, you'll be seeing the reverse camera. And then when you turn that on, you are going to see the rear view camera. So when you're driving along and you turn it on, you want to just touch the F cam app. It's going to bring that up. So that is how you would use the 2-in-1 switch with another switch to make that happen.